Hello, I'm Dr. Christine Rosenberger, principal at BCTC's East Campus in Ole.
And I'm Mr. Ray Jenkins, the assistant principal. We appreciate you joining us this evening for our program tours. We have valuable insight to all that BCTC has to offer.
Our mission at BCTC is to prepare all students for successful careers and post-secondary education through a highly relevant career and technical educational experience. We offer nearly 40 amazing programs within 7 career clusters.
At our East Campus, you will find programs in business and information technology, construction, healthcare, services, and transportation clusters.
To see our programs in action, meet our instructors, and learn how careers start here, we invite you to join us at our open house. Additionally, our team of school counselors, special education professionals, work-based education, and diversified occupation coordinators, and adult continuing education staff will also be available on this night to answer any questions you may have.
We hope our open house preview is informative and that we see you at our in-person event. Please don't forget to complete our event survey for a chance to win BCTC merchandise and an Amazon gift card.